That's you. That's you. That's you. Huh? Huh? That's you. Huh? 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 That's you. I'm really on a roll this morning. I just keep... For some reason, I woke up with a pretty good tickle, and it keeps teasing me, but I just keep looking at the sun, and it keeps helping me out. I just look at it. I get a wonderful... That's you. I don't know what's got me this morning, but the sun is really helping to tickle, kind of get these sneezes out. Huh? 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 That's you. That's you. Here I go again. That's you. My goodness. I don't think it's pollen, but whatever it is. The sun is so bright this morning. I do think it's helping me out this morning. Huh? 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 That's you.